Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying a newer palette from IT Cosmetics. I've actually had it in my possession for, at least a month or so, and I keep meaning to try it and I just keep forgetting. So today we're finally going to get down to it and try and swatch this beautiful palette. It is the limited edition It Girl Your Life-Changing Eye and Cheek palette from IT Cosmetics. It was one of their holiday palettes. It's beautiful. It's covered in these sparkly rhinestones. So if you guys are interested in seeing swatches, what's inside, and how it applies, then just keep watching. Okay, so on my lips today, before I forget, is the LA Splash. I think it was called like the Wickedly Divine collection. It's the liquid lipstick in Stepmother. It is beautiful. It has like just this hint of sheen to it. It matches my shirt perfectly, which I got at Express. And I do have a discount code down below for LA Splash Cosmetics. They're always coming out with new collections and new lines. This is probably my favorite liquid lipstick of theirs. I just think it's beautiful. It's not too in-your-face grape. It's not too wine. It's just like this nice in-between purple color. Beautiful. Anyway, you don't care about that. You want to hear all about this palette. So let's jump right into the palette. If you guys want to know the size, it's roughly the size of my hand. Just for reference, it's about the size of my hand. The box is much larger. It says, celebrate being an it girl each and every day with this must-have eyeshadow and blush palette that delivers endless eye-opening looks and your most beautiful skin. Developed with plastic surgeons, your It Girl palette includes 10 universally flattering, long-wearing matte and radiant eyeshadow shades that effortlessly glide on to make your eyes come alive, plus a one-of-a-kind ombre blush that blurs the look of your pores and delivers a youthful flush of color. I wonder if that is the Pores No More blush, or I forget what it's called. They have a blush that's supposed to refine your pores, which is really pretty. So it says, create your most beautiful eyes by sweeping foundation shadow all over your lid to color correct, neutralize and smooth, apply a lighter shade on top, blend a richer shade into the crease, and glide a darker matte shadow along your lash line for a liner effect. It says, to complete your look, buff blush onto the apples of your cheeks to awaken your entire complexion. I do have a little bit of face color on, but I want to start with the blush because I'm dying to try it. Okay, inside the palette, first of all, it says, you are beautiful, you are it, which I love. It's signed XOXO Jamie, the creator of IT Cosmetics. I really love their products, their whole philosophy. So anyway, enough rambling. This is what the palette looks like inside. You get, it looks like, 2 base colors. You have 2 mattes here, 2 mattes here, 2 shimmers, and 2 shimmers, and this ombre blush. So let's try the ombre blush first. I have my IT Cosmetics cheek blush brush. Here are the shades, light, medium, and deep. They don't actually look that different, but I think I'm going to go with light to medium. I don't want to go super dark just yet. It does give you a nice like pink flush. Makes you look very healthy and glowy. I like it. I have a lot of shine going on my face today, guys. I tried another highlight palette. So I am very glowy today. I think I'll just take the white eyeshadow base foundation and put that all over the lid. This is very opaque. This is doing a really good job of canceling out all the discoloration underneath. I mean, just look. This one looks so much brighter than this. I'm impressed. I'm going to try a little bit of this like pinky shade too on the lids to see if it cancels out any of this blue. Nice. All right, next I'm going to go in with a blending brush, and I think I'm going to go into Darling. Darling looks like a matte peachy brown color. Let's see. Okay, well, there's my crease color. I think I will go in again with the darker shade, the brilliant shade at the bottom, just on the outer portion. Okay, and then let's see which metallic we want to try. There are 4. Here is Glitz, Stunning, Charming, and Dazzle. I'm going to apply Glitz first with my finger. These are very soft. All over the lid. And then I'm going to spray my face with a little setting spray and then see if I can intensify it.
Oh, yep, much brighter.
Okay, so there's the beautiful gold, and then with a, well, this is actually a Wet n Wild brush. With a Wet n Wild brush, I'm going to go into Dazzle, that kind of plum shade, and put some on the outer portion. It's not really doing much. I'm going to use my finger. Then we'll try a little spray. And then I'm going to go back into my deep brown shade, ever so slightly. Okay, so that is the eye look. I'm going to hop off, finish this one, and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like when it's all done and give you swatches. Here are the swatches. We have the 4 shimmer shades right here. We have the 4 mattes right here. We have the 3 blush shades right here. So we have the light, the middle, and the deep. And then the 2 foundation shades right here are okay, so this is what the eye makeup looks like all done. I think it's really beautiful, very smoky. It was very easy to blend. They're all very soft shadows, not crumbly. Almost they all feel like they have almost like a satin feel. They're just very silky. I really like them. I would compare them probably to the Loreal shadows in like the texture, but they're even silkier. So they're really, really high quality. The colors are beautiful. They're not patchy at all. The blush is a beautiful glowy pink. I love it. I just feel like I have glow going on all over today, which is fun. So for me, this is definitely a thumbs up palette. This is beautiful. Packaging alone is A+. Gorgeous. I'm probably going to be putting that back here with my other beautiful palettes on display, but I would definitely reach for this one and use it. It has beautiful nudes and shimmers, and I love that it has 2 foundation colors to kind of even everything out so you don't have to grab a separate palette. So this is definitely a beautiful palette. I would run out and get it while it lasts. It is a limited edition palette. I don't know how long it will be available. So great job, It Cosmetics. And just so you guys know, I have a big giveaway up right now for the month of March. So be sure and head over and enter that so that you don't miss out. It's very easy to enter. All the details are in that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this try on, swatch, and tutorial video using the It Girl palette. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.